The art of manualism does not merely consist of playing notes and beats. You can also do a lot more. For example, you can do slurs. This is not something that is very easy to explain how to do, but basically what you're doing is when you have your hands together, you're sort of like sliding almost, but not quite. Let me play it from the side, maybe you can learn something this way. And now I'm going to replay that piece, but showing you the other side. So basically you're doing a slight slide of the hands as you're actually doing the squeezing to play the notes in order to be able to slur. As illustrated earlier, you can play several notes within one big squeeze by doing little mini squeezes. What I like to do is with my hand, I like to squeeze like this. Okay? And that is very useful for the next musical maneuver that one can achieve on the hands, the vibrato. Of course, when I got started playing the hands and I was trying to do the vibrato, I would take my hand and shake it like that as I squeezed. And I haven't done it in a while. Let's see if I'm still capable of doing that. And you know, it doesn't sound very refined of a vibrato, but to do a refined vibrato, as I had demonstrated, you take your hands this way. So when you're squeezing, look at my hands. You notice I went down, then down, then down even further. And if you do that appropriately, like the same note several times, you can achieve a good vibrato. Let me demonstrate. And that is how the vibrato is done. Believe it or not, but the vibrato is not the most impressive thing one can achieve on the hands. For example, you can combine the vibrato along with a slur and produce a glissandro. You see, with the vibrato, you're taking the hand and doing like this, and with a slur, you're taking the palms and sliding as you play the note or as you squeeze. To do the glissandro, you basically combine the vibrato and the slur together. And here is a song to demonstrate. Oh wait, I don't know any songs that utilize glissandro. Oh well, if you do, you can utilize it and add some extra oomph to your music. With all said, one must also know how to end the music and make it still sound entertaining. For example, you don't want just a simple, bland ending, like if I play Twinkle Twinkle Star. You know, it was just a simple, traditional ending. But you want to make a flashy ending, you know, to add more oomph to your music. So, now listen to Twinkle Twinkle Little Star and see the difference. So I'm sure if you listen to this segment over and over, you'll see the different techniques used at making a nice, flashy ending.